Now we're heading to the country that showed us we can all be free. Haiti. Sac pase. Let me show you how to make these kremas. Very cute. Gonna blend it with evaporated milk. Evaporated milk, cinnamon stick, star anise, fresh ginger. Allow to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until fragrant. Smelling so good. I'm gonna allow this to cool, okay? Sugar, sweetened condensed milk, add some lime zest, oh, smelling good. Add pure vanilla extract, salt, freshly grated nutmeg, cinnamon powder, adding back some more sweetened condensed milk, mix or combine. Wanna try it?
Yeah, it's real good.
Now it's time for the vibes. I'm gonna add our Barbancourt. Very pretty, look. This smells so good, I wanna try it without the milk. I'm not really tasting for strength. I'm really tasting like for flavor. And I give it probably like an 8. I give it an 8. Let's get back to the fun part. For this one, we're gonna add half cup too. Drink responsibly, okay? We need more. So far, everything tastes so good already. We're gonna put to chill, okay? Nice and thick. Let me go do a taste test. Very good. It has that right balance, not too coconutty if you don't really like coconut. The lime and the lime zest give it that, and the rum is so smooth, like it's very good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. You can click the link in my bio. I'm gonna leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Au revoir.